thrust for the journey to crest.
Hear out how our 2023 board toppers describe their R&D session experience at KIPS Evening Coaching.
When we join R&D session in KIPS, we are provided with a test schedule and we have to take a lot of tests per month. After each test, a discussion is held in which our weaknesses are addressed. This helped me a lot in identifying my loopholes, and this final sprint played a vital role in strengthening my preparation for final board exams.
Beat the gravity, reach for the sky.
KIPS Evening Coaching, Revision and Test Sessions,
January 2024.
Admissions open for 9th, 10th, first year and second year.
Join now.
For details, visit your nearest KIPS Preparations campus, our websites, Facebook, or call at our helplines.
KIPS Evening Coaching. Journey to Brilliance begins here.